I've now covered 3 of the 12 chapters in leadership for the Watton Group, and I wanted to share the PowerPoint presentations with you. The first chapter that I talk about is getting confidence in leadership and how that's a learnable skill. The second chapter is on assertiveness, and once again how that is a learnable skill. The third chapter is on the 19 traits of leadership. To date, this has been the most interesting presentation because women excel in 17 out of the 19 traits. I showcase how we can be better leaders for males and females, and ultimately how that would lead to a better world. So here are the presentations. They'll be below this video in links, so you can download the links, get the information, and if you have any questions, by all means, shoot it my way.